Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. At the beginning we've got photo mode, where we can zoom in or out, even to 10 times zoom. Then we've got portrait, where we can set beauty mode. We can also zoom, and we can add some effects. In night mode we can set ISO and shutter speed. Then we've got aperture, which also we can adjust. In video mode we can zoom in also 10 times and also set beauty mode. Then we've got Pro with all Pro modes. And we've got more. In more, we can enter 3D camera, moving picture, light painting, slow motion, that we can adjust between 4 times and 30 times, monochrome, HDR, timelapse, standard panorama, stickers, and documents. Okay, in photo mode we can also enter AI lens, enable or disable AI, add some filters, and focus on the exact point. Then we can go to settings. In settings you can change resolution between 30 megapixels and 7 megapixels. We can add and remove location tags. We can add watermark, assistive grid, or we can mute the shutter. Also we can set timer, audio control, touch to picture to capture smiles. We can change volume button function, adjust ultra snapshot, or reset to defaults. Cheese! And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.